How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to get rid of dandruff without washing your hair. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So apply tea tree oil. This will get rid of the dandruff, and it is one of the best oils you can use for your hair. I will put some in the description box if you guys want to buy some. So again, you can read the reviews on it. It does work for dandruff, you guys. I used to have very bad dandruff. It was pretty gross. I just scratched my hair and the white stuff would go everywhere. I did use the tea tree oil, you guys. It works fantastic. I know it seems kind of silly, like tea tree oil, really? Like that doesn't seem like it would work for dandruff. It does, you guys. Again, click on the link. You guys can read the reviews, the product reviews, and it does work, you guys. Trust me on that. Read the reviews, check it out, buy it. It will help you guys out. Use apple cider vinegar. The acidity of the apple cider vinegar will change the pH of the scalp. This will stop dandruff in its spot. Use half a cup of apple cider vinegar and apply it to your head. Let it stand for 10 minutes, then rinse your hair off with warm water. Use olive oil. Another great oil to use. Apply to your scalp and let it sit for 15 minutes. After that, rinse it off with warm water. I highly recommend olive oil, you guys. Next tip, mix 3 egg yolks together and apply it to your scalp. You then want to put a plastic bag on your head and leave it for 30 minutes. After that, just simply rinse it off, you guys. Aloe vera gel. This gives you your scalp a nice cool sensation. This also fights off dandruff and instantly prevents you from scratching your scalp. This is one of the best products that you can use for dandruff, you guys. So a ton of different tips that I give in this video. Again, keeping the video pretty short just because all the tips, they're pretty basic, they're pretty easy to do, but they are effective. Trust me on that. Again, I will put a link in the description for the tea tree oil if you guys want to purchase it. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again, everyone.